It begins as a tiny, pale mark or a slight thickening you might easily overlook while putting on your socks. But left alone, that minor blemish on your nail can quickly become a stubborn, embarrassing, and deeply frustrating companion. Nail fungus is more than just a cosmetic nuisance, it is a resilient infection that thrives on our patience. While the pharmacy shelves are lined with expensive chemicals and harsh oral medications, you might be surprised to learn that nature provides its own potent pharmacy. With the right approach and a bit of consistency, these natural alternatives can restore the health of your nails without the worry of side effects. 1. The power of tea tree oil. Derived from the Australian Melaleuca tree, this essential oil is a powerhouse of antifungal and antiseptic properties. It works by penetrating the nail bed to attack the fungus at its source. For the best results, use a cotton swab to apply pure, high-quality tea tree oil directly to the nail twice a day. If your skin is particularly thin or sensitive, simply blend it with a few drops of olive oil to keep the area moisturized and protected. 2. The acidity of apple cider vinegar. Fungus depends on a specific pH balance to survive and spread. By introducing apple cider vinegar, you create an acidic environment where the infection simply cannot breathe. Try soaking your feet for 20 minutes every evening in a basin with equal parts lukewarm water and vinegar. The most critical step. Ensure your feet are bone dry afterward, as moisture is the fungus's best friend. 3. Nourishing coconut oil. Beyond its use in the kitchen, coconut oil contains unique fatty acids like lauric acid that naturally break down fungal cells. It's an excellent choice for seniors because it deeply hydrates the surrounding skin, preventing the painful cracking that often accompanies an infection. Gently massage a small amount into the nails several times a day. For an extra boost, stir in a drop of tea tree oil to create a soothing, double-action balm. 4. Baking soda. While it's famous for neutralizing odors, baking soda is also an effective desiccant, meaning it dries out the environment the fungus needs to grow. You can add a tablespoon to your foot soak, or create a thick paste with a little water to apply directly onto the nail surface. Let it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing it away, ensuring the area stays clean and alkaline-free. 5. Garlic, nature's strongest defense. Garlic isn't just for flavor, it contains allicin, one of nature's most aggressive antifungal compounds. Though the scent is unmistakable, the results are undeniable. Crush a fresh clove, mix it with a touch of oil, and apply the paste to the affected area. If you find the raw garlic too intense, pre-made garlic oil is a gentler but still highly effective alternative for daily use. 6. Black tea. Black tea is rich in tannic acid, which helps close the pores and reduce the moisture that fungus thrives on. Steep 3 or 4 bags in hot water, let it cool to a comfortable temperature, and soak your feet for 20 minutes. This is a particularly calming ritual that helps toughen the skin and prevent the infection from spreading to the gaps between your toes. 7. The foundation of hygiene. No remedy can succeed without a clean environment. Consistency is your greatest ally. Always sterilize your clippers after use, switch to fresh cotton socks every morning, and give your shoes a full day to air out between wearings. By keeping the nail trimmed and the area dry, you give these natural treatments the best possible chance to work their magic. Consistency is your greatest ally. Reclaiming the health of your nails takes time, but these natural methods offer a gentle, effective path forward. For more natural health wisdom, subscribe to our channel.